Dear students, good morning to all. In the previous class, we learned about how to work and manage in PepsiCo. Today, I am continuing the lesson. Now, I will read the continuation of lesson. Indra Nooyi hired nannies and depended on her family to help raise her children. PepsiCo created a support system to help its senior executives in their parental duties. The company realized that employees like Nooyi, who work late into the night to create astounding profits, need to be met halfway. When her children were young, Nooyi trained her secretaries to handle phone calls from her children, find out about their homework and schedules, and so on. If Nooyi's younger daughter wanted to see her mother after school, the office would make arrangements to pick her up and bring her to the workplace. Senior staff members would help out with each other's kids whenever needed. And Nooyi would often find her daughter doing her homework in the office of a top level executive. Nooyi has proven herself to be a role model for other women in business. It is no secret that the road to the top is particularly difficult for women. Even today, women account for just a tiny fraction of top executive positions. Nooyi feels that the situation is slowly but surely changing for the better. When I started working my first jobs in consulting in 1980, many times you are the only women in the room and you could feel the guys rolling their eyes when the women talked. Today, they still roll their eyes, but you can now say, "What are you rolling your eyes for?" I think the debate and the discussion is more over. That's good news. She believes that the glass ceiling will go away when women help other women break through the ceiling. She continues, more than 50% of degrees are being awarded to women. Many of the master's degrees, the PhDs, are being awarded to women. So, if we want to tap into the entire workplace, we have to make ourselves an inclusive workplace. Companies have to get more flexible to accommodate everybody's needs, and we have to make sure we train people on inclusive behavior by modeling the right behavior. Indra Nooyi may be one of the most influential figures in global business, but Nooyi does not believe in resting on her laurels. I have an immigrant mentality, which is that the job can be taken away at any time. So make sure you earn it every day. She works hard to constantly develop herself as a person. Just because you are CEO, don't think you have landed. You must continually increase your learning, the way you think and the way you approach the organization. She has lessons for aspiring leaders. If you want to improve the organization, you have to improve yourself, and the organization gets pulled up with you. I cannot just expect organization to improve if I don't improve myself, lift the organization. All this takes a lot of commitment. When asked where the energy comes from, she replied, "Not a job. If you want to be a CEO of any company, it's got to be a passion. It's got to be your calling. You have got to love what you are doing, and you are got to believe in what you are doing." Her advice on how to succeed: embrace tough assignments. While most people prepare to climb the corporate ladder by taking on the easiest task and sticking to their comfort zone, Nooyi recommends otherwise. Nobody notices when you do an easy job well. She says it is far better to challenge yourself by raising your hands for the toughest assignments and work to solve problems that no one else has been able to solve. That's how you truly become a trusted leader inside an organization. Indra Nooyi's success story is one of the sheer hard work, dedication, and maintaining one's equipoise despite all difficulties. She has become a role model for many who are determined to leave an impression in the world of finance and business. Her dedication to both her family and company is a trait that many would do well to emulate. Dear students, meanings of content words. Necessities makes necessary. Co-opt, to use in a role, meticulously, with great attention to detail, to advancement in a profession, especially affecting women and membership of minorities. Inclusive, including everyone. Resting on one's laurels, being satisfied with one's achievement and not make an effort to do anything else. Trait, characteristics, emulate, to imitate. Dear students, now I am explaining the paragraphs. Indra Nooyi not only responsible for one of the largest beverage and snack business in the world. Indra Nooyi is a very respected member of the community. In addition to being a member of the PepsiCo board of directors, Nooyi serves as a member of the boards of the International Rescue Committee, Catalyst, and Lincoln Center for the Performing Arts. She is a successor fellow of the Yale Corporation and member of the board of trustees of Eisenhower Fellowships. Indra Nooyi advice on how to succeed. Embrace tough assignment while most of the prefer to climb the corporate ladder by taking on the easiest task and striking to their comfort zone. Nooyi recommends otherwise nobody notices when you do an easy job well. She says it's far better to challenge yourself by raising your hand for the toughest assignments and work to solve problems that no one else has been able to solve. That's how you truly become a trusted leader inside an organization. Indra Nooyi, in January 2008, Nooyi was elected chairman of the US India Business Council, a non-profit business advocacy organization representing more than 300 of the world's largest companies doing business in India. Nooyi leads USIBC, its board of directors, and assembly for more than 60 senior executives representing a cross-section of American industry. Dear students, in the last paragraph, Indra Nooyi's success story is one of the sheer hard work, her dedication, and her maintaining one balance of forces or qualities, all difficulties. She has also become a role model for many who are determined to leave an impression in the world of finance and business. Dear students, her dedication to both her family and company is a trait that many would do well to imitate. Dear students, next class I will do it vocabulary. Thank you.